A last-minute free vaccination campaign is underway at Bogota's bus terminals and airport, part of an emergency push to contain a growing yellow fever outbreak. President Gustavo Petro declared a nationwide health emergency after more than 30 people have died recently.
They are warning us that things can get worse, and this is the only way to tackle the disease that can arise. The emergency decree is the only way for the government to communicate that we must comply with the medical issues as soon as possible, so that there are no problems later on, and above all, no deaths.
Health officials say the outbreak began in September and is proving deadly.
Unfortunately, the number of cases has been increasing. We've already had a total of 74 cases with 34 deaths. Of course, it is lethal and deadly, a disease that affects nearly 50% of those infected.
The government urged people to get vaccinated before traveling for the Easter holidays, especially to warmer regions where mosquitoes are more prevalent. Those heading to high-risk zones must now show proof of vaccination.
I'm getting it for two reasons. First, for personal health, because I'm going to travel, and second, to comply with what the President has told us and be aware that this is everyone's problem.
Yellow fever is a mosquito-borne virus which can cause fever, vomiting, fatigue, or even organ failure. It's endemic in Colombia's jungle regions and largely preventable with a single dose of vaccine that offers lifelong protection. But many here remain unvaccinated. At least 9 of Colombia's 32 departments have reported cases, including areas where the virus hadn't previously been found. Experts link the spread to rising temperatures and shifting climate patterns.
President Petro says he wants everyone vaccinated within 2 months and has also said rapid response teams to study the outbreak and others to deliver the vaccines to remote areas. Authorities also say they could restrict travel to high-risk zones under the emergency, but what worries them the most now is the possible spike in cases in urban areas as Colombians return from vacation. Alessandro Rampietti, Al Jazeera, Bogota.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.